Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Build a 105 thunderchief. 10 minutes at a time. Alright everybody, birthday's over. Now it's Halloween. Happy Halloween. See, that was always a 2-day party, man. You know it. So, boo. There you go. Got my Halloween treat for the day. Alright. What I'm doing now is I got my other parting plane fitting pretty good. The one over there. Now I've been working on this one this morning. And I've got it pretty close. But what I'm doing is I'm just setting it in there. Alright. Then you get out the old Dotco. Oh, and what's the feet? And see where it's a little tight. It's a little tight in there. And right here. Then take it, set it back in. Want stuff like that. Skin up the bottom of this wing. Then we take it and set it back in there. Oh, that's fitting real good. That's fitting real good now. The only way we need to sand a freckle right here. But we want a little bit of a gap in it. We don't want it all super tight. It's all looking pretty good. See how this is all right on the center? And bam, this one drops down. Put a little bondo there, chipped out. But I haven't got my skis on there yet. When I get all that cut, see I can raise this up, bam. Put it right where I want it, then glue that ski. I'm going to do that all the way around, and then once them skis are all glued, then once down there, I'll go around and I'll put some tape on the bottom where I'm going to hot glue, and I'll kind of tack all this together and tack the wing in there, And I'm thinking that'll hold it. Then I could, don't matter where that parting plane's, where I can move that around. See, I think that was a lot of my issue with that clay, is because nothing's flat, especially here in the shop. Even my floor. If I move that table around on my floor, it tweaks around from the floor. That makes them parts tweak around. When I was just blocking them up off the table, well, when that table twists a little bit, then your clay, will fall out or just does crazy stuff in there. So I'm thinking this will kind of tie it all together a little more. And you never know. Could be a waste of time. Could have just used my old parting plane and did one at a time and had them both done now. No. Either way I go, I gotta clay up 2 parting planes, once for each wing. So, just doing them at the same time might take just a little bit longer. But actually it's fitting pretty good. Right here, just a freckle. Gonna get where my pins will go. Grab me a new one. I've been threatening to do that for a couple days now. Had to walk all the way over there to that drawer. Hey, also, some good zombie movies on tonight on AMC. Y'all know those are my favorite kind of movies. Love a good zombie movie, man. Right there in that corner. Right through there. I'm getting real close now. Then I gotta sand the bottom of that wing, wax them up. I tried that buffer. I don't think it spins fast enough. It wasn't doing a very good job. That's looking good. Okay, we're going to roll with that right there. Clay up the rest of it. Alright. So now, I could go ahead and cut these. Because these is where them parting planes is going. You know what I mean? So now I could come in here, mark that straight off the back side, and straight off this duct. There's a zombie movie on AMC tonight I ain't never seen. Looked like a good one. Seen the previews. Ooh. You guys like zombie movies? I was watching one yesterday. I was watching Shaun of the Dead. That's a good one. Kind of a comical zombie movie, but I like it. It's cool. And Dad came over. Oh, he don't care for them zombie movies. Dad don't care for the zombie movies. He likes them old westerns. What do you say, westerns and westerns and war movies. That's what Dad likes. Okay, them scrap. Now, see, I can put these pieces back there. Bam. See what I mean? I'll fasten them to the wing. That way my molded part will be hollow. I can put my arm inside there.